Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got yarn, a 4mm hook, a marker, and fiberfill. Now make a magic ring and crochet into it. Start by placing 6 single crochets into the ring, pull the tail tight to close the hole, and place your stitch marker in round 1. You do this to create a dense, even base that becomes the kitten's head. Once done, increase gradually to shape a sphere. Keep the tension firm so stuffing won't show through later. You continue by increasing each round until the head reaches desired width, then switch to even rounds to maintain shape. This creates a smooth dome. Insert safety eyes between rounds 8 and 10, making sure spacing is symmetrical, and mark placement with pins. Make 2 small triangular ears in one piece. Start with 3 SC increase, then decrease, and set them aside. Once the head is filled halfway, stuff gently. You close the head using decreasing rounds while stuffing firmly but not overstuffing. Leave a long tail to whip-stitch the final gap securely. Sew ears and any limbs in place, matching angles so the kitten looks balanced, and embroider facial details with short, neat stitches for expression. If you see gaps or holes, stop and tighten those stitches or rework the last round using a smaller hook. This prevents stuffing leakage and keeps Nugget looking tidy and plush when finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.